फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं मोहम्मद कामरान और आप देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल मलिक मोहम्मद कामरान। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे चैप्टर 7 इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न। स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरा चैनल मलिक मोहम्मद कामरान जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन भी जरूर दबाएं ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सकें। जो पहला एमसीक्यूज है, द era of modern genetics began with the rediscovery of the work of dash in 1900s। मतलब 1900 में किसके वर्क से मॉडर्न जेनेटिक्स स्टार्ट हुई? तो इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो है जॉर्ज मेंडल। The principle of segregation states that pair of hereditary factors are distributed between gametes during gamete formation. The pair मतलब D option is true. Question 3. Which of the following samples would represent alleles of the one another? VG and VG plus. एक्चुअली मैं तेज इसलिए पढ़ रहा हूँ कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स ने कमेंट ने ये कहा कि आप की वीडियो बहुत स्लो होती है तो हमें दिक्कत होती है, देखने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो आप थोड़ा फास्ट किया करें। तो अब मैं थोड़ा फास्ट चलूंगा ताकि मैं विद इन 5 मिनट्स एक चैप्टर को ख़त्म करूं और देखने वालों को जल्द से जल्द इसका नॉलेज हो जाए। तो क्वेश्चन 4, a gene that hides the expression of its allele is called dominant। डोमिनेंट और रिसेसिव का एक रिलेशनशिप होता है जिसमें आपको पता है कि जो दूसरे का अलील का एक्सप्रेशन को हाइड करता है वो डोमिनेंट होता है और जो है हो रहा होता है वो रिसेसिव होता है। द विजुअल एक्सप्रेशन दैट रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम द जेनेटिक मेकअप of an individual is called the phenotype। The visual expression that results the genetic makeup of an individual is called the phenotype। The parents in a monohybrid crosses are called heterozygous for a gene at one locus। The offspring of a monohybrid cross are half 1/2 homozygous and 1/2 heterozygous। Question 8 is phenotypically recessive individuals make up dash of the offspring of a monohybrid cross 1/4, mean 25%। A genetic crossed two fruit flies, one had vestigial wing and other was heterozygous for the trait। Which of the following results should be expected for this cross? हम अगर इसको अलहदा से करें तो हमें आइडिया होगा कि 50% विल बी वाइल्ड एंड 50% विल बी वेस्टिजियल। A genetics cross two fruit flies, both are heterozygous for the vestigial wings। Which of the following results should be expected for this cross? 3/4 wild and 1/4 vestigial। That the idea of pairing of factors segregate independently of one another during gamete formation is known as principle of independent assortment। दो ला है, principle of independent assortment and principle of segregation, law of segregation, law of independent assortment। So the idea that pair of factors segregate independently of one another during gamete formation is known as principle of independent assortment। 12 पे आते हैं। In a cross between two fruit flies that were both heterozygous for vestigial wings and CPIs, one should expect about dash of the offspring to have wild wings and CPIs 3/16, मीन 16 में से जो 3 होंगे वो offspring have wild wings and CPIs। 13, in a cross between two fruit flies that were both heterozygous for the vestigial wings and CPIs, one should expect about dash mean 1/2 of the offspring to have wild wings and wild eyes 50% mean। A geneticist performed a test score performed a test cross of a fruit fly that was phenotypically wild. There were 24 vestigial winged wild-eyed flies and 40 wild-winged wild-eyed flies in the offspring. What was the genotype of the original wild fruit fly? VG positive and SE positive and SE positive। C option is a true। इस पे अलहदा से एक मेरा लेक्चर मैं रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है, मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा जिसमें ये क्रासेस के बारे में डिटेल से बताया हुआ है। The ABO blood system is an example of dash because the heterozygous IAIB expression both alleles is a co-dominant। जो ब्लड ग्रोथ सिस्टम है वो co-dominance की एक एग्जांपल है। 16, an individual is heterozygous for a trait if the two gene coding for the true trait are individual, this is false। 17, Mendel's principle of independent assortment explain why a fruit fly can have vestigial wings and sepia eyes when one parent had vestigial wings and wild eyes and other parent had wild wings and sepia eyes. This is true. In a dihybrid cross, one of 16 of the offspring are phenotypically wild. This is false. The principle of independent assortment concerns events that occur during the first meiotic division. This is true. The principle of segregation concerns events that occur during the second meiotic division is false. Assume A and B represents gene at different loci. The notation AAPB would represent the genotype of an individual. This is true. The notation ABCD would represent the genotype of a gamete is a true. There can only the two allele for a particular trait in any population is false. A cross between a roan bull and a roan cow would result in a phenotypic ration of 3 roan to 1 white offspring. This is false. A test cross involves a cross between an individual with an unknown genotype and a homozygous recessive individual is a true. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जो होगा वो होगा क्रोमोसोम एंड जीन्स लिंकेज। इसके साथ अगली वीडियो में आपके लिए हाजिर होंगे।